Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
This guide covers Bluetooth, USB-C wired, and Xbox wireless adapter connections for Windows 11. The Xbox One controller works with the latest Windows 11 updates and installs drivers automatically. Turn the controller on using the Xbox button to begin any connection process. Use the pairing button on newer controllers to initiate Bluetooth or adapter pairing with your PC. Wired connection uses a USB-C cable for power and data. The wireless adapter creates a low-latency connection for multiple controllers. For a wired connection, plug a USB-C cable from the controller to the PC USB port. Windows 11 recognizes the controller immediately and installs the correct drivers automatically. For wireless reliability, plug the Xbox wireless adapter into an available USB port and press its pairing button. Then, press the controller pairing button until the Xbox light flashes rapidly to connect. If drivers do not install, open Windows Update and install pending updates. Use a high-quality USB-C cable for data, not charge-only cables. To pair over Bluetooth, open Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and select Add Device to begin. Turn the controller on with the Xbox button and press, and hold the pairing button for about 3 seconds until the Xbox light flashes rapidly. Select Xbox wireless controller from the Add a Device list in Windows 11 to complete pairing. If pairing fails, remove the device from Bluetooth list and try again. Also update Windows. Update controller firmware using the Xbox Accessories app, or use the wireless adapter or USB-C cable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.